While there are many ways to split names in Excel, whether using left and right with find functions, or the text before and text after dynamic array functions, or even flash fill, they all share one limitation: they aren't built to switch instantly. I am Nabil Murad. In this tutorial, I'll show you a clever dynamic method to toggle between first and last names with a single click. Stick around for a bonus tip at the end. Let's check out the finished project. I have a list of full name in column A. If I want to extract the first name, then I click on this button for the first name. While if I want to extract the last name, I just give a click to the options button for the last name. It's dynamic. I can switch from first to last with a single click. Let's build this project from ground up in Excel. I start in cell B2 by creating a text split function, equal text split. I select the text which is cell A2, I type a comma, and the delimiter will be a space, double quote, space, double quote. I close the bracket, and when I hit enter, then in one column I have the first name, in another column I have the last name. Now let's prepare for the dynamic functionality. I want to insert two options button. Then I go to the developer tab of the ribbon, I click on the down arrow for insert, and I click on options button. In cell B1, I click and drag to position my options button. I then right click to edit the text, right click and edit text. I change it to first. I also press Ctrl to select the options button and then click on properties, and I want to link it to cell B1. I hit OK. Now I want to copy this options button. Then I press Ctrl and Shift and drag. I created a second version. I want to edit the text, right click, edit text, and I'll change it to last. When I click on first, I see number 1 in cell B1. And if I click on the options button for last, then it changes to 2. In column 1, I have the first name. In column 2, I have the last name. Let's select first, and now I go back to my text split function, and I want to select whether 1 or 2. Then I wrap my text split function in a choose calls function. I hit F2 to edit my function. I type choose calls. I hit tab. I click at the end. I type a comma, and I link it to cell B1. I hit F4 to lock cell B1 because I'll be copying down. I close the bracket and then I hit enter. Now let's copy this function all the way down and let's test. When I click on last, I get the last name. When I click on first, I get the first name. I select cell B1. I change the font color to white to hide the number, and let's test one more time. When I click on last, when I click on first, it's beautiful and dynamic. Now let's go to the bonus tip. Whenever you use a function to extract the first or last name, or even when you use flash fill, then you are extracting in another column. But how in the world can you keep the first name only or the last name only in the same existing column? Then look at this beautiful tip. I select the whole range, and then I hit the shortcut Ctrl H. If you want to keep the first name only, then in the Find What box, type a space followed by a star, an asterisk. And for the replace with, keep it blank. When I hit replace all, this is the first name. I hit OK and I close. What if you want the last name? I hit Ctrl Z and then I hit Ctrl H, the same shortcut. And this time I'll be typing the star followed by a space. And for the replace with, I keep it blank. When I hit replace all, then I get the last name, and I was able to do that in place in the same existing column. If you found value in this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel to be notified when new tutorials are released. The best is yet to come. Thanks for watching and see you next time.